Good morning, my lovely world. Happy Sunday for all of you guys. Today we are going to drive 2 hours away from Los Angeles to discover these new hot springs that I found online. And for the new members of my lovely world, my name is Hernandez, and I do videos about my traveling adventures. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, this is the opportunity to do it. Just click right there and subscribe. So this video starts right now. This is our first stop of the day, Santa Paula. This is a little cute town, but our final stop is gonna be to the hot springs. But our final stop is at the Mitilja Creek, which is a nice river and hot springs. I've never been there. We're gonna have to hike and find the hot springs, but we are ready to explore. I have the feeling that we're never gonna get to the hot springs. This is our second stop. We stopped first at this little town called Santa Paula. I've never been there. It's very, very cute. Not much to do and we're not hungry yet. We just woke up and we had breakfast in my house before we left. And now my friend loves animals, and he saw this and he said we have to stop and see the animals. But I think we're just like 45 minutes away from the hot springs. Hola chicos.
Hello.
¿Ustedes creen que algún día vamos a llegar a los hot springs?
Pues parando así de pueblito en pueblito no creo, pero algún día sí.
Ha frenado el seco, ha visto animalitos y ha frenado el seco.
Está lindo, hay que ver todo.
Literal, frenó en seco, nos asustó y todo.
Animales.
We are only 20 minutes away from the hot springs, but it looks like it's gonna take us forever to get there. This is our third stop. This is a wine tasting venue, but we're not gonna do the wine tasting right now. But I think on our way back home, we're gonna stop here and do the wine tasting. It looks so pretty. Okay, where are my friends? I think we are lost. We're trying to find the hot springs. We passed them. Okay, so we're trying to find the hot springs, and we've been asking around this area, and everybody keeps telling us that the hot springs were bought by someone and it's private and we're not gonna be able to get in, but we're gonna try because I have to see the hot springs today. We finally found the hot springs, and this is a great information. If you are planning to come to these hot springs, you have to pay $25 per person to get in, and you have to make your reservations in advance because they only allow 12 people at a time, and you are allowed to stay there just for 2 hours. So right now we're gonna have to wait until maybe like another hour so we can get in and explore the hot springs. So they have hot and cold pools. I can't wait to go inside. And we are on the first pool right now, and it's hot. So I guess we're gonna try the cold pool and then the hot pool and mix it up. Can you hear the water? I love it. First pool of the day. This is so beautiful, and the best part is that it's empty. No one is here. That's the beauty of paying $25 to get in, because the only let 12 people at a time come here, and then the entire area is for yourself. Honestly, this is what I love about California. You find magical places just an hour away from Los Angeles, 2 hours away. You don't have to drive that far. This one was exactly 2 hours away, but I know some other hot springs that are just like 1 hour away. So I love California for this. I love it. So remember guys, if you happen to be in Los Angeles area and you want to come to these hot springs, I'm going to leave the link here where you can make the reservation, because if you don't make reservations and this place is very crowded, you're not going to be able to get in. It is $25 per person, not per car, and there's only 12 people allowed to get inside at a time, and you can enjoy this magical treasure just for 2 hours. I told you. Oh my God, he did it, he did it. Okay, your back. What about your back? Oh my God, he did it. Bravo, Jacob did it. I only went inside up to my waist. The water didn't even touch my back. I was able to go a little further. That's it. I can't go any deeper than this. It's freezing and I've been here for a while. Our 2 hours are gone. 2 hours pass by so fast in this magical, beautiful place. I wish I could stay longer. But another big tip, guys, bring mosquito spray. The mosquitoes here are really, really hungry. I usually don't get bit by any mosquitoes, but these ones are like killers. So bring your water shoes, bring sunblock if you decide to go on a hike. The sun is very strong, and mosquito spray. Very important. Oh, another thing, bring food, because there's nothing to eat around this area. Okay, maybe like 30 minutes from here you will find restaurants and wineries and all that, but right now the only thing we brought was oranges, and I think we had ate like 5. How many have you ate, Jacob? Okay, so he's eating one right now.
I think 5 now.
5? Oh my God. Well, these mosquitoes are very like powerful. I have a sweater on, I have leggings on, and they're still biting me with all these clothes on. Okay, so I guess we have to go soon. Another quick stop here to see this wonderful view. Oh my God, the sun is so strong. It's so peaceful here. this is the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did recording it. I love exploring new places and nature. I love to be in nature. So if you guys learned something new, if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. And I see you next Sunday. Ciao, ciao.